Good morning, children. In this video, we are going to see lessons 6 and 7 in GK. First, we will see lesson 6 Body Machine. Our body is like a wonderful machine. The various parts of the body work together to keep us going. Identify the various internal organs of the body. In this word, search with the help of the clues. Color the words in the puzzle. Now we will see the clues. The column of bones known as the vertebral column. The answer is spine. The pair of organs that extract waste from blood to form urine. Kidneys. The bony framework that supports the body. Skeleton. Skeleton means எலும்புக்கூடு. The muscular tube that connects the mouth to the stomach. Esophagus. It connects from the mouth to stomach. The only organ that can regenerate itself. The answer is liver. The long tube through which body travels while it is being digested. Intestine. The organ that controls and coordinates all the organs of the body. Brain. Brain only controls and coordinates all the organs of the body. The organ that pumps blood to the body. Heart. The pair of breathing organs inside the chest activity. Lungs. Lungs are the pair of spongy air-filled organs. It's located on either side of the chest. Lungs. The sac-like muscular organ that receives food from the esophagus. Answer is stomach. The first one, spine. Kidneys, the pair of organs that extract waste from blood to form urine. The bony framework that supports the body. Skeleton. The muscular tube that connects the mouth to the stomach. Esophagus. The only organ that can regenerate itself. Liver. The long tube through which food travels while it is being digested. Intestine. The organ that controls and coordinates all the organs of the body. Brain. The organ that pumps blood to the body. Heart. The pair of breathing organs inside the chest activity. Lungs. The last one, the sac-like muscular organ that receives food from the esophagus. Stomach. Next we will see lesson 7, Indian sports stars. Match the correct picture of these well-known sports persons from India to their descriptions. She is the first Indian women sprinter to win a gold at the world level. Hima Das. Option B. This cricketer holds a record for scoring 5 centuries in a single World Cup. Rohit Sharma. The correct option is H. This billiards and snooker player is a 21-time world champion. Pankaj Advani. The correct option is G. She became a first bowler to take 200 wickets in women's one-day international cricket. Jalan Goswami. The correct option is E. She is the first woman wrestler to win a gold medal for India at the 2010 Commonwealth Games. Geeta Pohat. This table tennis player has won the national championship a record 9 times? Sarat Kamal Achanta. The correct option is D. She is India's youngest shooter to win a gold medal at the ISSF World Cup. Manu Bakar. The correct option is F. The last one, he is an ace shuttler who has won several international competitions including 4 Super Series. Srikanth Kidambi. The correct option is A. Okay children, thank you.